Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at some of the best recipes from the one and only Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay is a world-renowned chef, restaurateur, and television personality. He's known for his fiery temper and his high standards, but he's also an incredible cook. His recipes are packed with flavor and always impress. In this video, we'll be making 3 of Gordon Ramsay's most popular dishes: beef Wellington, roast chicken, pan-seared scallops. We'll be following his recipes to the letter, so you can be sure you're getting the real deal. So, let's get cooking. Beef Wellington. 1 beef tenderloin, trimmed. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 pound duck breast, skin on. 1 pound mushrooms, chopped. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 sprig of thyme. 1 sheet puff pastry. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Season the beef tenderloin with Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the beef tenderloin on all sides until brown. Remove the beef from the skillet and let it cool slightly. Spread the mushrooms and onions in the bottom of the skillet. Add the garlic and thyme, and cook until softened. Season the mushroom mixture with salt and pepper. Spread the mushroom mixture over a sheet of plastic wrap. Place the beef tenderloin on top of the mushrooms, and roll up tightly. Wrap the beef Wellington in the puff pastry, making sure to seal all the edges. Place the beef Wellington on a baking sheet, seam side down. Brush with egg wash. Bake for 30–35 minutes, or until the pastry is golden brown and the internal temperature of the beef reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. Let the beef Wellington rest for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Roast chicken. 1 whole chicken. 1 lemon, cut into wedges. 1 onion, cut into wedges. 2 carrots, cut into wedges. 2 celery stalks, cut into wedges. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup chicken broth. Instructions. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken in a roasting pan. Stuff the cavity with the lemon wedges. Surround the chicken with the onion, carrots, and celery. Drizzle the chicken and vegetables with olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Pour the chicken broth into the bottom of the roasting pan. Roast the chicken for 1 hour, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before carving and serving. Pan-seared scallops. 12 sea scallops. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup white wine. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 lemon, juiced. Instructions. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Pat the scallops dry with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. Add the olive oil to the skillet. Once hot, add the scallops and sear for 2–3 minutes per side, or until golden brown. Remove the scallops from the skillet and set aside. Add the white wine to the skillet and scrape up any browned bits. Let the white wine simmer for 1 minute, then add the butter and lemon juice. Swirl the pan until the sauce is combined. Return the scallops to the skillet and spoon the sauce over them. Serve immediately. There you have it, 3 of Gordon Ramsay's most popular recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipe videos. Thanks for watching.